Hey guys, what is going on? It's Chidgemeister Wars, and today I'm going to show you a pack opening, my FIFA points. Yeah, let's get right into it. FIFA points. I want to get informed, guys. Fuck, shit again. Who the hell wants a 50 pace striker? Man United. Shit. Just want to keep these contracts. Might actually sell it for a bit actually. Just gonna quick sell the rest, guys. This might take a long time. Just one, oh fuck's sake. What's wrong with EA? Not even a flippin' array player. It's cheat. Just gonna quick sell it. Shit. Poor quality videos. Sorry for the shit quality, guys. It's on my phone. Then use my coins and don't use that. I want a Van Persie so much. One long name, but like 5-star skiller. Nope, 4 stars. Good head on him. Tidy. Santiago Bernabeu. I'm gonna make this Axis Stadium. And then just gonna quick sell the rest. Fuck. Didn't mean to do that. Quick sell. Did he? Oh, he's decent, he is. Thank fuck for that. He's actually a decent defender, guys. Apparently he's got 81 pace. He might settle for a bit. I might settle for a bit. Gonna quick sell the rest. Oxlade-Chamberlain, come on my son. It's gonna go 3 more packs, guys. Ronaldinho. Oh, what a legend. So hope he goes for a bit. I'm actually getting really lucky in packs lately, guys. I'm gonna go for a bit. Demas. And quick sell rest. Another pack, guys. 43,000 coins. That's tidy. Ooh, 94 pace. Quite fast. Oh my fucking god, look at him. Pedo. He's not fit, guys. He's not. And he's a man. Which is gay. Excel. One more pack, guys. It's the last one. Cornier. Breda. It's just shocking, like. This is absolute shit, guys. Let's go quick, Solid. Just gonna show you my squad really quick, guys. So, sorry if this video is a bit long. Obviously, I have the Newcastle team really, just to make my friend jealous. And there's Ben Arthur. This has been Chidmeister Wars signing out. Peace.